Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Sunrise in Sydney with Serena. I missed chatting with all of you. How have you been? Hope the restrictions in your city are lifting and things are getting better. This weekend, the restrictions in New South Wales have lifted a lot. We went to the local markets. I thought I'd do some recording, but the crowds were so huge. I just got a glimpse of the markets and I thought I'd do a whole recording on another day and bring that video to you to show you what all we get in the local market. I've recorded two really simple vegetarian recipes. One is for chili soya bean made with soya nuggets, and the other is a simple vegetarian fried rice. To make the chili soya bean nuggets, you require soya nuggets, salt, water, and a little bit of soya sauce. Soak the nuggets in hot water, and then I also find it very useful to boil it a little bit with a little bit of soya sauce. After you've boiled it, you'll notice that the soya chunks get really very fluffy. You drain the water and keep that aside. Then you marinate the soya chunks with some plain flour, chili powder, pepper powder, soya sauce, and a pinch of salt. Keep this aside. You then get the gravy ingredients ready. So to make the gravy, you need finely chopped ginger, garlic, some onions, and green capsicum. I've also used 3 sliced green chilies, a little bit of vinegar, soya sauce, some chili garlic sauce, a slurry of corn flour and water. To make the chili soya bean, heat a pan, then add a little bit of oil. When the oil gets hot, fry the soya chunks, remove it from the pan and keep it aside. Heat a clean pan, add a little bit of oil. When the oil gets heated, add the finely chopped ginger, garlic, and the slit green chilies. Saute for a while. Then add the finely chopped capsicum and the onions and saute lightly. Add the vinegar, soya bean sauce, and the chili garlic sauce. Once that's combined, add the corn flour slurry. At this stage, you can add some water and also give it a taste. You might want to add a little bit more soya bean sauce. You might want to add some vinegar, a pinch of sugar, a little bit salt, and I added a little bit of chili powder as well. Add as much water as you want to get the consistency for your chili soya bean. Once you find that the sauce is nicely cooked and the raw smell of the soya sauce and the corn flour has gone, you add the fried soya chunks to it. Let it boil for a little while, maybe for a minute or two, then add some green coriander. Remove it onto a serving dish and keep aside until you make the rice. To make the fried rice, watch the video till the end for a simple tip to see how your rice, veggies, and sauce can all hold well together. The ingredients for the rice are mixed vegetables of your choice, some ginger and garlic finely chopped, bean sprouts if you have some at home, finely chopped green capsicum, onion coarsely cut, vinegar, soya sauce, salt, chili flakes, cooked rice, and corn flour slurry. Heat oil in a pan, add the ginger and garlic, then add the onions and cauliflower. Fry for a minute. Toss the other vegetables and add the bean sprouts and the capsicum and saute well. Do not overcook any vegetables. The vegetables should be a little bit crunchy. Add some salt, chili flakes, vinegar, and soya sauce. Give it a thorough mix. Add the cooked rice and toss well. Just before removing onto your serving dish, add the corn flour slurry and stir fry the rice and the vegetables together. It will take about a minute for the corn flour to coat the rice and give it that nice, shiny, glistening look. All the vegetables and the sauces, everything will get combined. Remove it onto a serving dish and enjoy with the chili soya nuggets. My beautiful family and friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope you'll try out these two simple recipes and enjoy with your families. As we come out of this lockdown, please stay safe. I look forward to catching up with you in another episode of Sunrise in Sydney with Serena soon. Till then, take care. Bye.